Today, it's a very special event for all of us as we forge the partnership with the 98 barangays here in Zamboanga. I am KP Mamaril from the Corporate Communications Department. I would also like to greet those who are watching our live stream via our official Facebook page, the Philippine Social Security System. If you haven't followed that page yet, why not visit it now so you can see yourself too and hit that like or follow button. ¿Qué tal ustedes todo? A todos ustedes tú está muy bien. Today, we will be forging the partnership for our Kasanga Collect and the SSSE Center sa Barangay programs. This partnership will ensure your social security coverage and protection, as well as bring SSS services closer wherever you are. So to our guests, thank you very much for being with us today. Gracias kay taki ustedes ahora. Before we begin, allow me to acknowledge the presence of our guests and SSS officials. We have Barangay Captain Joseph Daniel Evangelista of Barangay Santa Catalina, and he is the president of the Association of Barangay Captains. We also have Mr. Tito Espiritu Santo, the Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Zone 3, and the National President of Barangay Councilors League. We also have representatives from Barangay Sanoknok and Barangay Zone 3 for the ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Agreement. Punong Barangay Pilarica Ledesma, Barangay Kagawad Naim Meraji, Barangay Kagawad Rosana Abelio, Punong Barangay Jerry Sanson, Barangay Kagawad Esther Orendain, and once again, Barangay Kagawad Tito Espiritu Santo. From the side of SSS, we have with us, of course, our President and CEO, and the Vice Chairman of the Social Security Commission, Mr. Rolando Ledesma Macasaed. We also have with us Commissioner Robert Joseph M. Declaro, the member of the Social Security Commission, representing the Employers Group. We also have the Executive Vice President of Branch Operations Sector, Attorney Voltaire Agas. We also have our Senior Vice President of Mindanao Operations Group and the concurrent Acting Head of Mindanao West Division, Attorney Edwin M. Alo. We have with us the Senior Vice President of Member Services and Support Group, Ms. Normita Doctor. The Vice President of Benefits Administration Division, we have Ms. Joy Villacorta. And of course, lastly, we have with us our Vice President of Public Affairs and Special Events Division, Mr. Samuel Santos. May I also acknowledge the presence of other SSS employees from the main office in Quezon City and the Mindanao Operations Group, including other guests from the Sangguniang Barangay of Zamboanga City. At this point, to start the program, it is my honor and privilege to invite on stage the President and CEO of the Social Security System and Vice Chair of the Social Security Commission, our beloved PCEO Rolando Ledesma Macasaet, for his message.
Buenos días con ustedes todo. Buenos días con ustedes todo. Sabe ustedes, bien alegre ka yo kay takyo ahora na Zamboanga. Bien alegre. Sabe ustedes, aquí yo ya nací. Aquí yo ya nací. Na Zamboanga General Hospital. Aquí yo ya estudié. Aquí yo ya queda grande. Aquí ay aprende manejar bicicleta, aquí ay punta jeep, punta tricycle, bitay-bitay lang na jeep. For me, this is a homecoming. Sabi ustedes, badata ustedes, bien familiar ka del mga cara, bien familiar, sabi ustedes por qué? Kasi presidente yo del GSIS. So, manada special ala na East Coast, na yung bisita. Sabi ustedes, de bolong kami, de bolong. El mga Ledesma, si Pilarica, Ledesma, Maehan Santos, Cabato, Macrohon, todos os pamilya di Amon. Sabi tu, un poco lang, no? Un poco hamburgueros el di mio lolo, de mio lolo, el tata de mio nana, sabe tú ese San José Alión del Fire Department? San José se antes, ¿no? Ahora el nombre de ese Mayor Gregorio Ledesma Street. Si Mayor Gregorio Ledesma, el tata del de mio nana. Por eso yo, zamboangueño ko, de mi tat, de mi nana, ya queda maestra na bolong. Yo estudié en Ateneo de Zamboanga y cuando high school, un poco bright yo, ya puedo estudiar na University of the Philippines na Diliman. Yo pa lang, pwede un poco hambog. Yo pa lang el Zamboangueño, yo pa lang el Pilipino, ya queda presidente del GSIS, chairman and president of GSIS, medyo boss yun niya, boss. Panahon ni Duterte, at ngayon panahon ni President Marcos, presidente ako at CEO ng Social Security System. Un poco yabang, no hay pa quien gente accede sa posisyon ansina. Na private sector tamen medyo ya trabaho na hindi pala trabaho, kaya yung director San Miguel Corporation, directorio del PLDT, directorio del Union Bank, ben manata directorships no quiere pa siya obla, el verdad de neta corda. Por eso te invito yo con ustedes ahora aquí, more than anything, quiere era yo, te pido favor, not only am I appealing to you, sabe ustedes, de mi tata cargador, ya queda empleado, ya puede yo queda presidente del SSS GSIS. Sabe ustedes, favor será ustedes ojos, close your eyes. And you are now 70 years old, no hay maya tu trabajo, mahina el tuhod, duele el detrás, no hay maya sueldo, no hay maya allowance, no hay pension. Hindi ta pwede depende na mga anak. Hindi. Crea ustedes conmigo. Tiene ustedes pensión. Por eso, el de mi prioridad, kay ustedes todo ta sirvi con el Zamboanga, el de mi prioridad era, kay hindi ustedes miembro del GSIS, man miembro ustedes del SSS. ¿Puede? Please, habla ustedes kay si no hay maya mahina na ang tuhod, mahina na, masakit na ang likod, at wala na yung mga anak ninyo, may pamilya na, wala na. Kahit pambili ng maintenance na gamot, pampa-high blood, pampamasahe, at paminsan-minsan merienda. Iba na pag merong SSS. Kaya ngayon, inimbita ko kayo dito lahat. O by the way, may libreng lunch tayo, di ba? Hindi lang tayo may libreng lunch, may paraffle pa ako. Gusto mo, i-raffle ko na ngayon eh. Basta ang kondisyon ko, magmiyembro kayo ng SSS. Pangako nyo yan? Ha? Ha? Ilan ang computer nandyan? Pwede sila magmiyembro sa labas? Miss Irene, yung manager? Ayan o, ang dami. Sa susunod, mga computer, dapat kalat para pag pumila dyan, hindi kayo mukhang dapat, papagalitan ko pa. Ayaw ko ng pagalitan kasi baka hindi na bubalik eh. Diba? Pero hindi ko akalain na ganito kadaming tao. Ha? May pagkain ba sila lahat? O sige, paraffle na lang ako, 1,000. Paano ba nang i-raffle? Wala daw raffle facilities. Paano ko ibibigay? Ikalat ko na lang. Ikakalat ko na lang yung pera, okay lang? Pirma muna kami ha, pipirma muna kami dito ha. Okay? And then raffle tayo.
Itawag yung SSS number na binigay dyan.
Yung mga itatawag ko yung SSS number. Sandali, magpirmahan muna kami, baka magalit itong kamag-anak ko. Alam niyo si Ma'am Pilarica, kamag-anak ko to. Pilarica Ledesma, ako Rolando Ledesma Makasaet. Pamilya Katimiyo. Pero to equal kami na Ris Grande. Game na tayo. Ano ba to? Sami, ano ba to? What's this MOA? What is this MOA?
Sir, we have first the Kasangga Collect Program MOA, but before that, we'd just like to call on the President of ABC, Mr. Joseph Daniel Evangelista, for his response to the message of our President. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, buenos dias, assalamualaikum, mayong buntag sa tanan. We would like to thank the social security system and the visitors who are here who made this possible, no? Also, we would like to thank the officials of the 98 barangays who are present here, no? As your new Liga ng Barangay President, si Joseph Daniel Evangelista, Jordan Evangelista, we will try to pass a legislation in the City Council in coordination with the administration of the Honorable Mayor Jan Dalipe para po bigyan ng additional benepisyo ang ating mga barangay workers, no? Especially Special mention sa ating mga maintenance workers, yung mga garbage collectors, barangay health workers, yung ating mga barangay tanods in particular. Susubukan po natin, prikura kita, no? With coordination with the proper government offices. Akel lang legal pasada na SSS ba and other government offices, no? Prikura kita tamen, mensyonay kita, no? Pruba kita PhilHealth tamen, no? So, we would like to say thank you and then retire to mga bisita, Mr. Makasaet, thank you for coming back to Zamboanga and making this possible. To the visitors of the social security system, nang galing pa po kayo sa Manila, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa Zamboanga at mabuhay po kayo and let us make this possible in coordination with the proper government offices and with the local government. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay. God bless Zamboanga City. Mayong aga sa tanan. Thank you.
Alam nyo, alegre ka tsaka si Councilor Evangelista. Sir, sir, voluntary lang sir. LBM membership nila. Pero sir, si Pastor to the City Council, with the help of Mayor Dalipe, fantastic ka sir. We will really appreciate it sir. Bien, gracias ka sir.
Evangelista. May we also now call on Mr. Tito Espiritu Santo, the Barangay Kagawad of Barangay Zone 3 and the National President of Barangay Councilors League.
Thank you, ma'am. My dear colleagues, el día todo mga uban na barangay, el 12 barangay officials takiaura of the 98 barangays. As public servant gada kita taki. Ladies and gentlemen, the executive officials of the SSS who are here from Manila going down to Zamboanga. And we are really thanking you that you are here in Zamboanga. Assalamualaikum. Mayong buntag, buenos dias. Mr. President of the SSS, Dimio Guabito Ablagitas te amigo, of the Ablagitas te antes na GSIS, Aura is the president of the SSS. Me as the national president of the Barangay Councilors League of the Philippines and president of the local PEBARCASA, that is the Federation ng mga Barangay Kagawad de Zamboanga, would like to thank you for a very inspiring message. Sabi to, Mr. President, we are very proud in Zamboanga City that Ablagitas SSS is getting closer to us. I would cite one example of the 98 barangays wherein is Barangay Zone 2 here. Barangay Zone 2. Yes, the barangay chairman and the barangay officials. To tell you, Mr. President, all their barangay officials are actually members of the SSS. To include, I'm really very proud of them, to include their health workers, likewise with their tanods. As an example, so here with us right now, the 98 barangays praying that later we can give actually to this as the benefits of our frontliners in the different barangays. And we would like to thank our ABC President, Mr. Ebalangista, our councilor, as our representative, that he will be lobbying actually the LGU of Zamboanga to our mayor that for a benefit detrimental to the barangay. In the light of the making this gathering more meaningful, pwede Mr. President, man-request kami through your heart and through your present office to lobby us to both houses to at least look into a possibility of passing a law that will allow us to be automatically covered with SSS or GSIS. We are the lowest form of government. Time immemorial, we were members of the GSIS. But one reason why we are not member of the GSIS or SSS, because why? We are not yet under salaried. Habla kita si honoraria. So most of us are actually voluntary members of the SSS. The Barangay Councilors League of the Philippines, Mr. President, the 1BCLP, as an organization, commits also to become a conduit to SSS, to advocate and to serve as the avenue for those who intends to be part of the SSS program. Maraming salamat po. Muchísimas gracias na todo. For me, SSS is sama-sama servisyo.
Sama-samang serbisyo. Maraming salamat. Mr. Tito Espiritu Santo, the President of the National Councilors League of the Philippines. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much, Sir Tito. As we go with the photo opportunity for the Kasangga Collect program, I'd also like to call on representatives of those whom we previously had the MOAs signed with, representatives from Barangay Buwalan to join us here, representative from Barangay Bungyao, and a representative from Barangay Zone 2. So you might be asking, what is Kasangga Collect program? Just to give you a background, the Kasangga Collect program is a partnership program with national government agencies, local government units, and state colleges and universities for the coverage of job order workers and contract of service personnel for their social security coverage via forging of memoranda of agreement, such as what we're doing now. The KCP is a salary deduction scheme to facilitate the coverage of and contributions collection from self-employed members engaged by the government, especially members who are not yet covered by the government service insurance system. members joining our current signatories, a representative from Barangay Buwalan, Barangay Bungyao, and Barangay Zone 2. This covers today's partnership and previous partnerships we had for the Kasanga Collect program.
Serbisyong sulit na sulit.
Congratulations and thank you to our signatories. This really comes a long way for the future of social protection. Thank you very much, ma'am, sir. To continue, let us proceed with the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement for the e-Center sa Barangay program. Joining the SSS signatories are Barangay Zone 3 Punong Barangay, Jerry B. Sanson. As the principal signatory, may we request you to come on the stage. Barangay Kagawa, Esther Orendayo. And Barangay Kagawa, Tito Espiritu Santo as witnesses.
Serbisyong sulit na sulit.
Ongoing is the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement for the e-Center sa Barangay program. This is a program of SSS that aims to provide and set up a localized version of the SSS e-Center to barangays, municipalities or cities, employers, and other off-site locations. And it provides an alternative avenue for members to transact with SSS. The off-site e-Center is equipped with desktop computers wherein members who do not have their own facilities can access their SSS accounts through these computers. Further, concerned personnel shall be trained by SSS to answer some questions and guide their own constituents or employees in navigating the SSS.
Serbisyong sulit na
So we are
sulit.
bringing SSS closer to you. As they are completing the signing of the document, may I please request to go on standby those who will also be inviting for a photo opportunity and those whom we previously signed MOAs with for e-Center sa barangay. So please be on standby to go to the stage. A representative from Barangay Sinunok, representative from Barangay Mercedes, a representative from Barangay Salaan, representative from Barangay Ayala, a representative from Barangay Kabatangan, Barangay Buwalan, and Barangay Tolosa. We'll be inviting you later for a photo opportunity here on stage. Representatives who will be joining us, you may approach the stage here while waiting for the completion of the signing. You may stay here for convenience in coming up the stage. Thank you.
Serbisyong sulit na sulit.
representatives are already
Serbisyo,
here in the
sulit.
stage. Again, let me repeat. We have requesting representatives from Barangay Sinunok, Mercedes, Salaan, Ayala, Kabatangan, Buwanan, and Tolosa. Those
Serbisyo,
barangays are already here. We have a memorandum of agreement signed for the East Center subdivision.
sulit. Serbisyo, sulit na sulit. Serbisyo, sulit.
We can now proceed with the photo opportunity.
Serbisyo, sulit na sulit. Serbisyo, sulit na sulit. Makabagong pagbabago. Serbisyo, sulit na sulit.
We have standby. Joining us for the photo opportunity are the barangays. A barangay representative from Barangay Sinunok, Mercedes, Salaan, Ayala, Kabatangan, Buwalan, and Tolosa. One more. Thank you.
Serbisyo, sulit na sulit. Serbisyo,
Congratulations, everyone. Thank you very much to the Sangguniang Barangay of Zamboanga City for joining us. We fervently hope that this expression of support will inspire other local government units and barangays to follow suit. Maraming salamat po.